In this video, we'll be discussing finding ebooks for digital literacy for healthcare. So the first thing we need to do is go to Library Guides, click on that, and we're going to scroll down until we find digital literacy for healthcare. Click on that, and you'll see here that there's a bunch of tabs at the top. We can click on the tab for books and ebooks, and you'll see that there's a selection of ebooks off on the left-hand side of the screen. And in the middle of the screen, there's a library search. You can click on the Find Books tab to search for books, and let's search for the term asthma. So I click search, and it looks like I have 323 results. You'll see that there are both ebooks and print books, so I could select just ebooks. Now I have 240 results. The first result is called asthma, and you can see all of the publication information. The second result is called asthma with a subtitle and additional information. And you can scroll through and get a sense of what kinds of titles we have available. If you see one that you like, you can go ahead and click on View eBook, and it'll bring you to the record for it. This one's called Asthma for Dummies, and if you click on the button to borrow it, you're going to have to select your organization, Waukesha County Technical College, and click Sign In. After you sign in, it'll ask you if you want to borrow it for 21 days. You can click on Borrow, and then you have the option to read it in your browser. And it'll pull up the cover of the book, and of course you should be able to scroll through. Or if you want to go to a specific chapter, you can click on the table of contents and go directly to that chapter and scroll page by page. So that's how you access that type of ebook. But if we go back to our results and click on this other ebook and click View eBook, you'll see this one looks a little bit different. So again, you have the title information here. But to access this one, you're going to click on Access Now. And then it'll bring up the cover right here, and you can scroll through just like you could with the other example. And of course, if you want to access the table of contents, that's all over on the right hand side here. So you can click on a section and just go directly to that section or chapter and scroll through that way. So two different kinds of ebooks, but they look somewhat similar, and they operate sort of in similar ways. Regardless of how you choose to access an ebook, you'll notice you can cite it using the American Psychological Association, APA. You can just copy all of this information and then paste it. And if you want a link, you can click on Share, put your email in there and your email in the recipients field as well, and then just click Send Email, and it'll send you a link to that. Or you can just copy this link here, and that'll make sure that you always can get back to this title. If you have any questions, please do feel free to reach out to us using any of the contact information here.